welcome to today's unboxing and setup of the Kindle Paperwhite. So I just got this from Officeworks. You can get them from lots of shops. Currently it's 159, used to be 180, well 179, and sometimes it can be on 154. But I needed I needed to get it as a present for New Year, Christmas and New Year for somebody, so I needed to get it faster, so I couldn't wait for that deal again. Well, beware, you can get it cheaper, and do your research, do your homework before buying this thing, because you don't want to waste the money. But let's get right to it. So we'll begin by taking off the plastic with sticky tape. So I'm gonna do it really gently because I don't know why. Really, I can do it rough, but I don't feel like it today. I'm not in that mood. So as you can see, I just take off. This is the Kindle Paperwhite edition. You can see it's a black. I knew that's gonna happen anytime. You can see it says Kindle Paperwhite. Another Paperwhite logo. All the labels and everything. I'm not gonna show. I'll just show you that. UPC number, and also there is your DSN number, but I'm not going to show you. So I might have just a bit showed you before, but okay. So now you just, to get out of the box. Oh, by the way, on the back it says all the functions: Wi-Fi, 4 gigabytes, readable in sunlight, the 300 ppi touch display, built-in light, and everything like that. So what you have to do, you have to pull it out, or I guess push it out, as you can see. And when you push it out enough, you can see it'll say Amazon. Get rid of that box. You can open this here. All it has is Paperwhite again, as you know, and this pull tab, which I like. Besides that, it's all black. Well, even if I got in the white variant, I'm sure it would be black. And it still has that same tag, which I can't show you guys. So just get this tab open. I'll just continue with the pull tab. Oh, that was different. If you saw my Google Home Mini unboxing, it was made out of cardboard, and it felt it felt cheap, because usually it feels like Google wants you to feel like it's a disposable product, because it's like a one-time use thing. This is not the case here. They used cardboard also, but it's a better looking box. It has this sticker pull tab that you could still use. I'm not going to show you. And then you just I'll show you the Google Home Mini box, but it doesn't close back up after you read the seal. So I'll go and get it. See, I'll show you. See, it doesn't close, it leaves a gap. So once you've opened it, you can open it, but look, it also leaves a gap. That's not nice. But this one, I've opened it, and look, you can open it and close it 1,000 times. Oops, like that. See, it's closed. Oh, I need to put that in. Closed, open, close. Oh, forgot to put this one in. See, it's still closed. Unboxing now. Oh, my flash just turned on. Okay, so now to this side, not showing you the codes and everything. You just open it up and you pull it up. And first, as we see, it's blue, and it shows a little picture of a tree and a boy reading on this, but he's actually reading a real book. Because you can see Kindles are like tablets, but that's like a book opening, unless he's reading a Kindle with a case on it. So even when you just opened it a bit, you can see the ports. So it shows you power on, cause setup and stuff. You just pull it out. Kindle Paperwhite, Amazon. Kindle Paperwhite. Oh yeah, cause it's Paperwhite. It has to come in black and white, and the charging cable, which I don't think is neat, but it's not the worst thing. I've seen worse. Sadly, I forgot to record the list, so I don't read any instructions, except this one can be useful, but who needs instructions when you have a tech genius around? Okay, so let's pull off this tab, and it says Amazon behind, and we'll turn on. We're pulling off this sticker thingamabobber plastic. Ah, it's so satisfying. And let's pull it out. Oh, well, that's really hard to pull out. It's wedged. On second thought, it's satisfying to take off the sticker but not pull it out because it's really stuck in there. Okay, take that. Let's put that all aside. And that sticker, rip that I was talking about. It says Amazon and let's power it on. And as it says power on in many languages, let's see if your language is there. Tell me in the comments if you're bilingual and you can read like 2 of them, including English. Let's turn it on. So you just push this little button. Let's see if I can focus. Button, and there's a LED for when charging. Let's push it. Push it. Okay, or maybe let's hold it. Push it. Oops. Holding it. Oh, well, first time you have to hold, push it when you set it up. And that was a light, like it turned on, became lighter. Oh, the same picture as we saw here. But never mind, let's get back to it. It says Kindle. I guess when you reboot it, will do the same. Okay, as you can see, it's just white. Now we select our language, which is probably English United Kingdom. So I'll quickly select Kingdom, United Kingdom, or you have to press next. Obviously this is touch screen. I think it's about to load the English language. Just wait, I don't know. You can't do a software update right now because it's not connected to the internet. You would see if it would be, because I'm doing this with you guys. So let it load. If you haven't checked out my Google Home mini unboxing, and what it can do and how good it is, and that will be, is it worth it? Is the Google Home mini worth it? Also review. It will be like a mini review. Go check that out, and yeah. Okay, I'll pause it and I'll turn it back on when that was an animation, black to white, and it says, oh yeah, I didn't even press get started. That's the battery, that's the time. Wrong time, wrong battery. What if we turn it off right now? We could. We'll just connect it to Wi-Fi. I'll select our Wi-Fi. Okay, let me enter the password. I remember it off by hide password. Okay, I'll do it here. I'll just take it to the side. Or just wait. I'll get back when I done PS. I think I'll enter my password. Now let's press connect. The touch sensitivity is okay, not the best. Connected, connecting to Amazon. Booyah, I just remembered the password of by heart. Woo. Okay, I'll think about what should I do, create a new one or add an existing one. I'll just think about it for a second. I'll get back when I thought about it. When I connected to the internet, automatically updated the time to 7:24. Cool. I'm gonna press register. I've done my credentials. Register. Let's see. Don't know what's gonna come up next, so I better press register, and I'm just gonna take out the view in case payment options come up, cause a lot of people do that. Okay, so I just turned it off by pressing the button accidentally. It says the right time, and says if it's not right, press the button to change it. It says hello and then a name. I'm not gonna say whose name it is, but I'll say use a different account. No, continue setup. It's correct time. Continue setup. I'm just gonna have a look. Okay, social. We're gonna connect that later. Social account, set parental controls, connect later. Good readers. Okay, I'll have a look at what this is, and you can see the time, the battery, Wi-Fi. Okay, so I'll be back. There's an account for good readers. Now I'll sign in. If I don't have an account for this yet, no, I don't. I'll just create an account then. Okay, I'll be right back. An account, then I just went to, it said Facebook, I said skip, and now it's done, getting started. Navigation, your Kindle, yes. Home and back, question, okay, recent books, reading list, recommendations, done, okay. Good readers on Kindle, I'm gonna change this to my account. Okay, get started. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Pick some of your, okay, I'm not gonna do this now. Okay, done. Okay, bye. Oh, well, that was the setup and unboxing, I guess. But I'll make another review of this Kindle. Bye. Subscribe and like. I forgot to almost say that.